Hey there. Have you ever wondered if you could actually get paid for something as simple as trying out different AI chatbots? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to earn $7 in just a few minutes by comparing AI models through Outlier's
Okay.
Playground comparison feature. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, from setting up the browser extension to submitting your comparison and getting paid. This is a real opportunity available to Outlier contributors, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let me quickly explain what Outlier is. Outlier is a platform that connects subject matter experts with companies building advanced AI systems. As a contributor, you help improve these AI models by providing feedback, comparisons, and expert insights. The Playground comparison feature is one of the coolest perks for Outlier contributors. Essentially, Outlier pays you to test the same prompt across different AI
Yeah,
models
I
and
like
share your thoughts
created
on
but
which one
usually hate it.
performed better and why. It's that simple. You're helping AI companies understand how their models stack up against the competition, and you get paid for your valuable feedback. All right, so how do we get started? First, you'll need to be on the Outlier platform and have access to a comparison task. When you're ready to begin, you'll see a screen that says you're almost ready to earn $7. The interface will display your unique comparison PIN code. In our example today, the PIN code is NVPK7S. This code is super important. You'll need it to activate the plugin, and it expires in 24 hours, so don't wait too long to use it. Here's what you need to do next. First, download the Outlier Playground comparison plugin for Chrome. There's a handy button right on the screen that says Download for Chrome. Just click it and add the extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, you'll need to enter your comparison PIN code. You can do this right away, or you can find it later in the profile drop-down menu under Earn by Comparing. Remember though, this PIN expires in 24 hours, so make sure you use it in time. Now comes the fun part. Once you click Open Extension, the Outlier Playground extension will appear in your browser. You'll see a welcome screen that explains how it works. The process is straightforward. You're going to chat with both AI models on their respective websites or apps, then compare the experiences. In our example today, we're comparing Meta AI and Gemini AI. The extension will guide you through each step. When you're ready to start, you'll see Step 1 of 2, Start Recording Meta. The extension confirms you're on the Meta tab and gives you simple instructions. Now here's an important note. You'll need to log into your Meta account to use Meta AI. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in and on the Meta AI page, you're ready to enter your prompt. The extension will actually autofill your prompt for you. In our example, the prompt is, I am creating a business course on SAPIS Retail, SAP Retail/SAP R3 with Retail extension. I have studied a comprehensive training program covering the following topics in depth. Use this as context for all discussions about content creation, course structure, scripts, explanations, and exercises. Once the prompt is entered, or you can manually copy and paste it if needed, you click to send it to Meta AI. Now you wait for the response, and this is where you need to pay attention. The extension asks you to take notes on the model's response and the user interface. What did you notice? What do you like or dislike? How was the response rendered? Were there citations, formatting, or styling elements that stood out? In our example, Meta AI responds pretty enthusiastically, saying, Got it. Yes, I can absolutely do that for you. It offers two things, a course structure so you know how to break down slides and scripts, and a freelancer brief you can post to get offers for system demo videos. But here's where the critical thinking comes in. When we look at the notes section in our example, the user noticed something important. The answer is far too long and does not give directly what was requested, a simple project brief to use right away to hire a freelancer. This is exactly the kind of feedback Outlier is looking for. You're not just clicking buttons, you're actually evaluating the quality and usefulness of the AI's response. After you've finished with Meta AI and clicked Done with Conversation, the extension moves you to Step 2, Start Recording Gemini. The process is similar. You navigate to Gemini AI, and again, the extension is there to guide you. One thing to note, in our example, the user encountered a small hiccup. The prompt couldn't be fully copy-pasted into Gemini, and the answer given was requested as the prompt had been truncated. The main request was at the end of the original prompt, so Gemini didn't fully understand what was being asked. The user also noticed some grammar issues in their notes. There is a comma splice in copy-pasted, therefore it just didn't answer,
and the verb tenses are slightly inconsistent.
This is great. You're catching real differences in how these AI tools handle the same request. Maybe one handled a long prompt better than the other. Maybe one gave more concise answers. These insights are valuable.
Now comes the final step, submitting your comparison and earning that $7. The extension will ask you, which model do you prefer? You'll have options like I prefer Meta, I prefer Gemini, I like both, or I dislike both. In our example, the user selected I dislike both.
Then you'll be asked what aspects influenced your choice. You can select from options like accuracy, instruction following, creativity, reasoning, usefulness, clarity, trust, structure, interactivity, navigation, and design.
In our example, the user selected accuracy and usefulness because neither AI really delivered what was requested in a practical, usable format. Next, there's a text box asking, why did you dislike both? Here, you write your detailed feedback. Our user wrote, the first answer from Meta AI was far too long and not usable in the requested context. This is where you explain your reasoning in your own words.
Finally, you might be asked about UI elements you found useful, like code snippets, citations, tables, charts, or other features. Once you've filled everything out, you click Submit Comparison and you're done.
The beauty of this opportunity is that it's genuinely helpful work. You're providing valuable insights that help improve AI technology while earning money for something you might do anyway. Testing out different chatbots. If you're an Outlier contributor, keep an eye out for these comparison opportunities. They're quick, they're easy, and they're a great way to earn some extra cash while contributing to the advancement of AI technology. Thanks for watching and happy comparing.